Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to channel. In earlier video we have discussed about two symbols, that is semicolon and a pipe. Okay, today we will discuss about this, this and this. Okay, greater than symbol. So let's start. So what we are having, we are not having any self-created file. So what we'll do, we'll create a file cat test. Okay, nothing. So we'll use this arrow key. So what is happening here? This arrow, okay, this greater than symbol is pushing the content from the cat to test file. Okay, so whatever is the output of cat is getting pushed to a test. How it is working? See, hi, this is Amit. Okay, Control D. So if you want to read the file, we'll do test. Okay, so we have used a single arrow. Okay, now if I use again a single greater than symbol and write, so it will override because it's starting from the beginning of the line. Okay, so we'll do hi, this is root. Okay, and I will come out. If I do it again, so the content written here Amit got overwritten by hi, this is root, because we are using a single symbol. So this greater than single symbol. Okay, we are having other two. So single greater than symbols shows the output of this will get transferred to this file and it is overwrite. So every time you want to nullify a file, you can use this. Now we'll see append symbol. Append is double greater than symbol and test. Okay, so what we are doing, we are transferring the cat data to test file in the end of the line. Now also this is append to file. Okay, we'll Control D. Now if I'll read this file, this line will get appended to that file. See, you are able to see it's showing two entries. So every time you use single to overwrite and double to append. Now we'll see the example. So example is where we'll use. So like we are having cat slash etc. I should log the numlog etc password. Okay, and we'll go to rc.local. Okay, so I want to make an entry in rc.local. So how I will do? Cat is single greater than and slash etc password rc.local. Okay, what entry I want to make? Touch slash tmp slash Amit. Okay, it will touch a file in temp Amit. Let's see cat slash etc rc.local. Okay, whatever was written here, it got overwrite. See, earlier we are having this much content. Okay, but it got overwritten with touch Amit. Now there's a problem. So let me roll back to this older version ECC rc.local. I'll put the content back. Okay, I'll save it. Now if I want to append, then I have to use this touch slash tmp slash Amit. Okay, it got appended. Now let's see cat slash etc rc.local. See, you are able to see it, the line got appended here. Earlier data was till this line, it got appended. Now you will say why we are using single and double. I'll show you the example. So sometime you will get like slash var is using too much data and we don't have space available, and if you go cd slash var log, okay, here all the system logs are captured, and if you see message file is taking too much size. So what we will do, we have to zip it, but if I'm going to zip it, original file will get deleted. So what I have to do for that, I have to take a copy of slash messages and a date, and today's date we'll put like 20/11/2022. Okay, go copy. So now we are having two copy. So first what we'll do, we'll nullify that file. How will nullify? You have to do message. Okay, if you see the size of message now is 0, and this one we can zip it. Now you are able to see, because if I zip it, it will get extension .cz, and whenever system try to write something in message file, it will get an error, message file is not available. And if I like make a copy and again do it, so what will happen, I will miss the some permission or the some of the extension. So if you want to nullify a file, you can use single greater than symbol. Okay, this is the use case for this. And second I have already shown you, but let me show you again. If I want to append, or if I want to append anything to, so we'll do echo touch slash tmp slash Amit, and this thing I want to print in slash etc, and not slash etc, we'll do it slash tmp slash Amit. Okay, okay, we are using the wrong command, echo cat slash tmp Amit. So you will say, okay, we are doing touch slash tmp and this data is getting written in slash tmp, but slash tmp Amit file was not present that time. Okay, so it got appended. So what this symbol is doing, if file is not present, so it will create a file and write those the content, and if file is created, then it append only. Like if I do slash tmp Amit and I will do Sumit, so this time it got appended with tmp Sumit. Got it? So as a Linux system administrator, we always use double greater than symbol, because we always used to overwrite. There are very minimum cases when we are doing the nullify. We must be very cautious about using this thing. Okay, single greater than symbol can delete all the data and it's very hard to recover. So if I by mistake I have executed this command, so whatever was written in slash Amit got overwritten by touch temp Sumit. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Always use double greater than symbol to append. Always use append. Okay, never do overwrite. There are very less cases where we'll do overwrite. So today's topic we have covered single greater than symbol and double greater than symbol. There was a symbol called less than, but we are not using. Let me show you what is that. If you do cat slash tmp Amit, okay, if you do slash tmp Amit, then it's also same. So what it's doing is taking the input from this file and putting input to cat. Okay, so it's similar like cat without this option and cat with this option. So that's why I'm not teaching you this thing. So we have learned single greater than symbol to overwrite, double greater than symbol to append. So that's all for today's video. We'll discuss more about new symbols in the next coming videos. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.